In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay through QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to record a clean, accurate bill payment that updates your books the right way. First, sign into your QuickBooks account so you're on the home page. From there, look to the upper left and click the plus sign labeled New. This opens a menu of common tasks. Under the Vendor section, choose Pay Bills. That takes you to the Pay Bills screen, which shows your open vendor bills and lets you record how you're paying them. If you don't see a bill listed, make sure it's already entered in QuickBooks as a bill, not just an expense. Next, choose the bills you want to pay. Start by selecting the bank account you're paying from. This dropdown is important because it tells QuickBooks which cash account to reduce and which check register or bank feed to use for the payment. Pick the same account you'll actually use at your bank. Then check the box beside each bill you intend to pay today. You can select one or several at once, and you'll see the total update at the bottom, so you can verify you have enough funds in that account before proceeding. Now enter your payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're making or planning to make the payment. The date affects your cash balance and your reporting, so double check it. Choose the payment method that matches how you're paying. For example, check, cash, or ACH. Pick check if you'll print a physical check from QuickBooks, or if you've written a check manually and want to record it. Choose ACH or another electronic option if you're paying online outside of QuickBooks and just need to document it here. If you have a reference number, like a check number or a bank confirmation, add it in the reference field to make future reconciliation easier. It's optional, but it's a great habit for audit trails. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Save and Close to record the payment and return to your dashboard. If you're printing a check right now, choose Save and Print instead, and follow the prompts to print using your check stock. After saving, QuickBooks updates the bill status to paid, reduces your accounts payable, and posts the payment from the selected bank account. If you ever want to confirm, open the bill again and you'll see it marked as paid with the payment details attached. That's it, you've successfully recorded a bill payment in QuickBooks. Repeat the same flow anytime you need to clear open bills and keep your vendor balances and cash accounts